One day, while I was enjoying the view, I saw a spot on the window. It was removed easily, but at the exact moment, a bird flew over the window and no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't clean that one, even couldn't reach it. It made me angry and went looking for a solution. I searched between different devices and finally found the key. Yes, the window cleaning robot is the ultimate solution. Hey shoppers, it's Fatima and I'm here with the robot cleaning my windows without lifting a finger. It's absolutely amazing and systematically getting every single inch of my windows, and I'm not having to do anything. This is incredible technology, a super convenient product, and if like me, you have large windows that you hate cleaning, stick around because I'm going to tell you about this fantastic product and tell you how you can pick yours up. So, how unbelievable is the Winman 9 from Cecotec? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I think cleaning windows is one of my most hated chores. I feel like no matter how I try to clean it, there's always streaks. I always miss a spot and it's just frustrating. You have to stand on a ladder, especially if you have large windows, it can take forever. Your shoulders, your arms are burning, but we all know the satisfaction of having beautiful clean windows, and the last thing you want is a bunch of fingerprints and dust and puppy noses. That's why you need to pick up a Winman 9 and let it do all the work for you. Squirts out just a tiny bit of water, exactly the right amount, and uses this really soft microfiber towel on the back to make sure that it gets all the water and moisture and leaves no streaks. It's just so cool that it is able to suction onto your windows and get the entire job done. Of course, I already had the Tuya app installed because I use different smart devices, but also you can run it independently. For some people, it's easier to set it with an app, but for others, it's more convenient to start the cleaning not from an app. When you open your Winman, you're going to get the user manual and it's super easy steps. It tells you exactly how much water to put in, how to charge, how to plug everything up. This is a super cool product. It's not overly loud and it doesn't require any special cleaning solution. In fact, you only want to use water with this, so it's great for the environment safety to use around your pets, and it's so easy and efficient. It's a smart path cleaning. In fact, it's got that radar much like robot vacuum cleaners and a lot of multiple safety systems to make sure it takes care of your windows. We've got some extra cleaning pads. These are microfiber cloth. They are remarkably soft. The device itself is very lightweight, which makes sense because it's gonna be going all around your window. This looks like something from the future. I love it. Look at the other side. We've got all of this. It's gonna traction around. We're gonna be able to clip this carabiner on. So I am so excited to get going with all this. It makes glass cleaning so easy for you to have clean, sparkly windows. It makes such a difference in your world. It's gonna make you enjoy your view, make it enjoyable to see everything around you. Beautiful windows, no one can criticize you for those dirty streaks on your windows. I love this product. I know you guys will too. If you have any questions, please comment below or wanna buy this product, contact us at this information. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Bye.